I've been fishing lobster for about 25 years now, but around the water for, I guess, most of my working life. I enjoy it. We have a 2-month season here in May and June, and it's the best 2 months of my year. In our spring season, we fish May and June here on the eastern end of PEI, and the north shore of PEI has some of the coldest water, and the lobsters are hard-shelled and fully meated and just coming out of dormancy, and they're probably some of the best lobster in the world, for sure.
Atlantic lobster has an unmatched sweet flavor and delectable texture. Our wild crustacean is available in a variety of ways: live whole lobsters, frozen whole cooked lobsters, frozen raw tails, frozen cooked tails, claws, and canned meat.
We've been working at this a long time, and there's been a lot of great conservation methods put in place, whether it's trap limits or escape mechanisms, increased carapace sizes, buffer zones. We have one of the most sustainable fisheries on the globe.
Each lobster is pulled from the trap by hand, inspected and measured. Female lobsters bearing eggs, as well as small lobsters, are released to ensure the sustainability of this incredible natural resource. Back on shore, the fishermen unload their catches directly into waiting refrigeration trucks or into processing facilities. Lobsters that are to be sold live are sent to tidal pounds and inland seawater holding tanks that mimic the natural environment. New technology allows processors to quick freeze whole cooked lobsters and process lobster meat. The short time between harvesting and processing ensures that the lobster tastes as fresh as the day it was caught.